welcome to ClickMyProject.com.
Our project title is Fitness Training App using Firebase. Let's see the abstract of our project. In today's fast-paced world, maintaining a health lifestyle can be challenges. The fitness app is designed to be your ultimate companion on the journey to improve the healthy and fitness. It offers a comprehensive suite for tools and features to help the achieving your wellness goal. Whether you are a beginner or an expert fitness enthusiast, the fitness app that get your result and help you are maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Build and adjust your workout routine and calories intake on the go on the internet needed. Contains the most effective and freshness exercise for each body parts. It is time you are stop bringing your workout routine feet to the gym and just pop into the app. Flow diagram of our project. Then plan user login. Then plan your exercise. If you want to exercise, we see in the next our app demo. Then first of all you plan your exercise. Calculate the calories for plan your exercise means like that. If you day one what you have to work out, all the details are like stored and calculate the calories for weight gain and weight loss. If you example your height and weight put in, then how many calories you get for weight gain and how many calories for weight loss, then how many calories if you need for maintaining the same weight. Chart for the nutrition, how much fat and gain for fat for how much and nutrition, all this getting that like that. If you need that chart for nutrition, then start workout timer, how much time you get to work out, like that the timer is showing there. Hey, welcome to the fitness gym app. Like this is a user ID password. If you want to sign up means enter the mail ID and password, then click sign up. Or using Google mail ID also, this is emulator, so I did not log in with the Google emulator. Is a sign in. If you want to use in the normal mobile, then you sign in the normally Gmail account. And this is emulator, so I have not logged in the mail ID. Then I enter if you login means enter this and click this. If you sign up means enter that and sign up. Example, James at gmail.com 123456. If you want to view means then view, then click, then sign up. Sign up means wait for the sign up getting, then go to the welcome to back jams. Here currently daily calories, this is the workout weekly workout plan. Then then enter the this is our name and profile section of our project. Then program manager, then program manager, if you want to manage workout name, this is the program, this is the first app of main screen. Then program manager, then click the program manager. This is our scheduling the our workout. Example, chest workout type, strength intermediate, then working days 5 weekly, 5 weekly days, 5 6 days. I give the 6 days. Okay, then next working days. Day one is upper chest, like that. Upper chest, then click done. Then chest, if they click the chest icon, then go to the full side first, then click this icon and then chest icon, then dumbbells. I adding this like this. See here, flat bench or dumbbell added, then incline benches added, incline flyers added, push up added, like that. Then if you come up to the measurements, also here if you increasing the set like that, if you increasing 2 set means it's increase to the 2 set like that, then it's same as the day 2, then procedure same. If you want to whatever you want to that, like same 2 3 4 5 6 same like that. Then your save like that. Save means save button means then saving this icon, then go back. Then anytime you coming, then day 2 add the whatever you want to, whatever chest you want to put in means, then all the chest tests are worker to here, then click one button, then add it and save it. Then nutrition and macros, if you are male or female. If I am male, so I enter male, then age 25, then height is 160 centimeter, then weight is 60 kg. Describe your weekly activity, how many days active you are, 5. Like intensity your exercise is moderate, then calculate. Wait, we show you the chart of our project. To reach your goal, you will need to consume the 2.6 calories from proteins, 908 grams, 71. All the details are shown. Mass gain, if you want to gain mass gain, then if you want to insert 2346 calories. So only if you want to weight loss, then if you how much calories you need, 1800. If you want to maintain, then you eat the one. If you want mass gain, then you eat the 2346. Then progress. This is your tab to hold. Weight, our weight is 60. Add, which if you noting that is date wise noted their age, weight. Then gym. The same options are available here. See here. Then progress manager. Same options are available here. Thank you. This is after sir. Sign note. Thank you.